Wow. Janapano I look in style about boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what to tell? Hello brothers, sisters, how you doing? This boy Cookie with Sindaco, I'm back again. Yeah, so I've been invited by a colleague in the game, yeah. She also cooks. She said, since I'm here, I should come there and we'll do something together. So I'm on my way going to Middleton, a town in inside Leeds. Yeah, so I'm here, actually, but you say hi, Madam Hilda's. Hilda,
This is Hilda's kitchen. On Wednesday days,
yeah, she's about to good. It is what it is. So I'm here in Middleton, a town inside Leeds, and as I told you earlier, I'm here with a colleague in the game, Hilda's Kitchen. She cooks as well. Check her out, yeah, subscribe, and make sure you follow her.
Hilda's Kitchen, good food made in a clean environment. Any mind and any youths now, they will know how to cook.
What a record, yeah. So it's never never.
Tilapia.
Okay.
Any and I bet depend on boss, so per day, you bet you, you finish Muswa. Is special in na ya Gari. Na wale mama che na oche da record.
Every example everything, anything. With the goal, why the same age, yeah, so it's tilapia with Gari. Mamma mia,
Maybe the Yaba candidate so.
Okay.
Na ya sharply. Tomato sauce.
That's go for no sharply. Mamma mia.
Don't forget to watch this channel.
Yeah.
Just keep through this video because it's going to be wonderfully gorgeous.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel. Hilda's
Kitchen.
Hilda's Kitchen. Fancy phone bro for the share is one good one. I can't touch you. Hilda's Kitchen.
Hilda's Kitchen. Hilda's Kitchen. You see my beautiful face with the same lipstick the whole day. Don't forget to follow me.
Okay. Answer the issue.
But in Chinugum, because saying with the TILAPIA and Cassano, I on Shadani, it says in Chinuguma. No, I the was the feet in Pano was up.
I fresh,
fresh, not today. In Chinano Shark, okay. You realize crash over some show. Yes, I
now it's very would you my another just YouTube videos for the
oh, it's been a young cassette Bacana was who
would you tell? Okay.
Name Jan Kakra.
No, so okay one.
Now Uncle Kumaka is young spices is a big book.
Okay. Yeah, so today we'll be doing our what do you call it? Gari with the tilapia, yeah, outside. And we have our mini sexy cook pot over here. Only, this is Hilda's cook pot. I just love cooking outside. Like the gas is too much, so anything carbon or charcoal is more attractive and sexy. Like anyway, as I say. You product Gari. Gari, okay, okay.
As a spice as all your fine.
Okay. But I'm putting my KBF friend will be a wedding that kind of thing.
Yes.
Yeah, the magazine. Wow. I'm chemical now. Wow. Wow, this is interesting. Wow, she takes order She does everything. She not only on YouTube that she cooks, she takes order. She sells as well on weekends. She sells watching jollof.
You want your wadi?
Okay.
You want fresh tomatoes? You bet you try. Fresh pepper.
Okay.
2 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
And I want some teamy kakra.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ginger. Okay.
And Captain Planets and so. Oh yeah, kakra is day.
Okay. And this is a baby for you.
Yeah, shabu parsley.
Okay, sharp parsley.
Na ya za kan gali eba.
Ubro freeze or there sharp parsley no there me and be na sharp parsley no there.
Sharp parsley. As a woman, sometimes it's near the biana ya be nyama chinchin. You can still cook the same food very quick.
Yeah. I sharp parsley no way.
Sharp parsley.
Yeah. I want to pick.
Na ya fine.
Cooking skills is intact. Yeah. I checked out Hilda's kitchen and pop.
Yeah.
Because you want to try your own crown put there, I mean also you might as well. Yeah.
Say busy from the papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, mom want you today.
Yo, other true house I hide this in Hono. Anyway, what woman wants here? Cook. Yeah, so the fire is now ready, and we have our grill thing over here.
Grill tin is a great thing. She said, "Baby, I buy a natural. And it's the best foam."
Yo, it's foam. Yeah, but you James here. Abuja James here. Yeah, so a bit of oil.
Yes, it buffer and I'm no.
Okay.
And that's no crazy. But order. Miss Mabaya is to that. On to
okay. Yeah, so this is Hilda's kitchen inside Leeds, and she takes orders. She cooks. If you are doing your wedding, birthday, anything, and you want someone to cook for you, you can contact her. But your number be what's my
number no 07 99 099 75
27. Yeah, so if you're in UK, anywhere in UK, even Scotland, yeah, you can still call and make your order, make your bookings. They cook anything, everything. Yeah, local to foreign, continental. Yeah. For weddings, birthday, everything, and I say if you want to watch it, maybe Saturday morning, you want to watch it to eat, just call and they'll bring you watch it. What's your plate today?
£5.
Wow, £5.
And I'm the do.
And I'm the do. Yeah, so just call this number and make yourself comfortable. Yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. Follow her on YouTube.
Mom, when did the day?
So this is our fish powder.
Yeah.
Jumbo fish powder. In Ghana, Fantis are known to be experts in this kind of cooking. You see how the gravy kind of and like quick action. Sharp parsley.
Sharp parsley.
Sharp parsley. Anyway, sharp parsley. Yeah, so maximum like 15 minutes. Everything's okay.
Yeah, we are now going to start doing our garlic kind of.
So this is the water for the Gari. Eba. We have our hot water for the Gari for the Eba, and We adding a bit of
salt.
Salt, yeah.
Taste.
I'm also from a pinch of salt. So basically, this is kind of pure Nigerian food, but we Ghanaians have adopted this food as our own. Yeah, no, we are using the Nkane for. So this is typical Eba.
Other workers in who do
okay.
Now, but son, so.
Yeah, I pump you. Zizi. Or them a Z no, what is that sound? Zizi. Okay, so this is our Gari. Yeah, here water style. Yeah, so this is our tilapia and patois. You know, a patois senior brother. So everything is set up and it's about to go down. I will sacrifice. Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all do? Yeah, so we're done with our Gari Eba, yeah, with tilapia and patois. Anyway, Captain Planet. You know, with our gravy over here. Sharp parsley.
That's right.
It's yeah, sharp parsley, yeah. Quick action, and this is the final outcome of it. Empire. You. Amen. Yo. So, but basically, Gari from cassava, and this is typical African food. Wow. You feel the pepper. Man, the pepper is spicy. So, meaning it depends on how the quantity of pepper that you want to use. You can reduce the quantity of pepper if you want a little less, and add more if you want it more spicy. Okay.
Normally, you know, with fish, it's good if you add a bit of more spice to it.
Yeah, this is dope.
Why then chen when it's chicken?
No, okay. Wow, man, I can eat the whole of this thing. No, the way I'm going to you know, not since I should not come on. Or blend pepper.
Say more can. We never need to go put in it.
Eh, Gari, no, they got me for 2 inches, no. If you pano for the Gari has this, yeah, go pound.
Cigarettes, mean what you know.
Gari is it. I jump on. I jump on. So this is tilapia. I know I show papa. Hi, I smack ma. Wow. So tilapia. Man, this is just perfect. You feel it, papa. Man, this is just perfect. Just perfect. I'm loving it. The only thing that you need is tilapia. But I believe you can use any other fish, right?
Oh yes.
So you can use, if you don't have tilapia, you can use any other fish to prepare this.
Oh, but you do data.
Wow.
This is what you call Friday special.
Man, you need to take your order. Your order special is in Madon. For order no.
Tilapia Gari.
Other man will take this order. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook and Hilda's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, turn notification bell so be notified. When she upload, when I upload, you get notification. Yeah. And once again, she takes order. So call this number. What's the number again? 07
99
099 75 27. Yeah, so that's her number. Call her and make your order. And any recipe that you want her to make, she can prepare that thing for you. Yeah. So thank you, Mama Hilda, for this invite. I really appreciate it, and
thank you for coming as well. Everybody should say thank you to boss Sindaco.
No, I'm part of your boss. Mundu boss level. No.
Captain Planet
Mundu boss woman.
When then I see man because my friend no one children and I say obey. This is someone who is willing to help people who are also growing their business in Kakankaga. So if you also have a business, you can call him. Thank you so much.
It is what it is. Let's meet again for Shizzle Manizzle. Who can we see Sindaco? Record one.